Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an unboxing video for the Scrap Diva Designs August release. Thank you Erica for sending me these dies. You can find these die sets at scrapdivadesigns.com starting August 2nd, 2025 and get a 10% discount using the code PRESTRAMIC10. All the details will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started. So most of these dies are for back to school and also bee related dies, so let's get started. Here we have a 3D pencil gift box and there's 2 pages here, and it's going to be super cool once it's all created. It's a 3D pencil box, so it's great for gift giving for children who are going back to school. They have supplies and it'll be neat to have something inside like a surprise or something. And here we have a 3D star treat box. I'm not really quite sure how it works. I'm thinking it's like a little kind of star, like it looks like this, and but there's like 2 pages here as well, and it looks like there's the smaller one and then the same thing. It looks like the same thing but a little bit larger than this one. So yeah, so this is the 3D star treat box. It's gonna look really interesting. And here we have a heart pencil. This heart pencil is really cool looking. It looks like one of those rubber pencils where you can bend them, and I remember those, but I'm not sure if they still have these anymore. But yeah, you can make it, it looks like you can make it into an album or a card, and it says thank you here, here, and here. And yeah, there's this top part of the eraser of the pencil. It looks so cool. And this one, yeah, it's only 1 page. And next up we have this one here. This one is the bee bag topper, and there's 2 of them here. Yes, I think they're the same size. I'm not quite sure, but yeah, I guess it's like the mirror image so that you can do the back side as well, front and back as well. It's gonna look super cute. And here we have a Be Happy stamp. This Be Happy stamp has thankful, kind, happy, yourself, true, humble, sweet around this one stamp, and then here's just a bee stamp with some leaves around it. And then this one is be kind, and we have just be you, be happy, let it be, queen bee, and just a bee flying around. So many different sayings, which is really cool. And then next up we have this one. This one is the bee word set number 1. We have queen bee, be mine, be kind, be beautiful, and honey. And you'll see the stitching and as well as another shadow word inside the under the word. So there's like 3 layers. And there, here we have the bee word set number 2. Bee word set number 2 consists of be honey, or no, be happy, sorry, be happy, be wild, be yourself, and then let's see what else we have, sweet, and then finally we have believe in yourself. And here we have a really big 5x7 folio set, and this folio set has 4 pages. So yeah, there's quite a lot in here. And next up we have this 5x7 clipboard, and it looks really cool. It has all these different size clips here as well. And yeah, you can make this like with a cold press sticker on it, and then you can like write things and erase things if you have those eraser markers, and it's just so neat. Or you can just decorate it like normal. And then we have this one here is the Fringed Flower number 2, and it has big, small, and medium size, and you can layer these up and it looks so cool because there's these 5 leaves and it just looks so neat if you like layer them. And I think I'm gonna do the like cardstock, textured cardstock, and then metal cardstock, and then another card, like it's just layered with different types of cardstock. It'll look so cool. And it even includes the middle part here for the stamen. And here we have a honeypot mini album. It consists of 2 pages as well. So in the back it'll have like something like bigger, like to fit the details of the honeypot. And it's so cute because this honey dipper stick is like heart-shaped, and you also got the regular heart-shaped comb kind of thing going on here. And then you have honey dripping from the jar, and it looks super cute. It's a nice little mini album. And here we have another mini album. This one is the Beehive mini album. It's 2 pages as well, and it just looks so cool. There's more details for the back here and also here as well. So that's for the 2nd page, and it has a stitched lining here as well. So it's pretty cool, and it's a nice shape. And also there's also some bee decorations, a bee die set that you can use and put it on here, and it looks so cute. And it's coming up next. And here we have this really cute bee set, and there's 3 sizes, large, medium, and a small, and it has all these layers, the wings on it, and also the eyes, I believe. Yeah, these are the eyes on top, so it's just like so cute. It's gonna look so adorable on these like honey pot, like, you know, you have a bee here on the honey pot, as well as this honeycomb. It's like their home, and it's like so cute, and you can have several of them. It's pretty neat. And next up we have these decorative elements, the honeycomb. We have some beautiful leaves here, some beautiful flowers, and honeycomb design here, and it's stitched as well. You could also probably make this into a shaker because of these lining here, and it's just great addition to your projects. And here are some more decorative elements for your projects, and these are different kinds of bees that you can do. And I love how it has a heart-shaped flying, buzzing pattern when they're flying, so it's like so super cute. And here we have a Hexagon Honeycomb. There's 2 pages as well, and on the 2nd page is a smaller version of this. So there's 2 of them, and it looks super cool. It looks so neat. And yeah, I think you just can think outside the box for this, because there's so many ways of making this with this hexagon. And yeah. And finally we have this library card pocket, and it's really elegant. It's really beautiful. This library, it looks like it has 2 pages as well for this library card pocket, and here are the frilly doily kind of looking edges, and it will look so cool with this part here. And yeah, it's so super awesome. This library pocket card could be anything, you can make it. So yeah, I'm looking forward to making this. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll put all the links once it becomes available on probably August 2nd. And I also have a discount code. You could get 10% off your entire purchase except for the bundles, because those ones are already on discount. Thanks again. Toodaloo.